Definitely, Paris definitely took your features. Yes, remember when Nunurai was delusional thinking? Guys, it was entertainment. Can't you no longer buying a house? Because I remember in season 3 you went to view houses. Ke tlo e reka kang ntlo wena babes? Ke tlo reka kang ntlo? Bang Melanie ang kolota. Wa tseba Melanie right now ang kolota 3.8 million because maobane ke tsomoswa another 1 million. So ke tlo e reka kang ntlo. Mel le monna hae ba tshwere 3.8 million yaka. Ke so ba le di legal fees. Yeah, this about the trauma and the stress that they put me through. So, Habam Patel, I'll buy another house. When I saw you on TV, I thought you were old. Can't you are young? What is young and what is old? Hey, Her Majesty, I must say you are my favorite person and inspiration. Ko Rata Mao. Massive chum. Umelu pete imali endlu chum. Imagine you'll bounce back, my darling. Thank you. Thank you. Is the Mummy Club coming back anytime soon? I don't know. Very young, 18 to 25. So now I'm old, hey. I'm old. I even have grandkids, guys. I've got a snake, puppies, one grandchild passed on. So, yeah, I've got puppies, I've got what. So, I don't know. I hope so. Chome. I'd love to get into network marketing. Any advice? Please add Miss Mobs. Is she live? Mara, because they are broke themselves. Remember they stole in the USA. Angela, I love you with or without your permission. Period. Yo, Kanyisa, they won't pay you back. They're paying. Yo. They're paying from. Where's the snake? It went to a park. Now banna kai aba rekise dintlo le dikoloi. Adio chomi dintlo le dikoloi. Na opo ne ba tsama ka Ferrari ba dula ko mansion. Ba di rekisitse hadio chomze hadio. There's nothing. As for it went to the park. It went to the park. Chom, it went, I don't know, they went for a stroll or whatever. I love you, Her Majesty. Almost sharp. Ha, ke motho almost sharp. Ba re nna ke strat mate ne ke shapa banyana ko Pitori. No le guy. Let's can record. No le guy chom. Chom ka wena o le mene nyana. A bona video. Ke snatcha phone bang record ke o scan record. We saw Chomi, ke tshabatlala. Chomi. Banyana ba rent a crowd ba hire ba fa di 100 rand to go protest ba dula ka montlo ko court ba ema le lekgowa. Fele ka re ke tshabatlala ka ebile wa ile record. Wa ile record di kentse di mask le tlo recorder Marata. Why you record? Why are you recording me? Kana go ke ba recorder. Why are they recording me? Nna ne ke kwatetse hore why bang recorder ka Mobicel if ne bang recorder ka bo iPhone 16 and above ne ke tlo understand okay fine bang record ne ke kwatetse so on recorder ka phone and in discretion Mobicel. We understand that was my fight. So why on recorder ka Mobicel? Why? That's why ne ke lwana why ka Mobicel cho me can't record. Cause na go record ka iPhone. Haribing iPhone, haribing fair. So quality, haribing fair. Go record ka iPhone, don't record ka iPhone. It's fine. Now Mobicel. Hey bo. Kosta ke le jwang manje mo. Se ke kwatile manje ke na le ke nahana that video ko tla ke le jwang. Okay, the stylish mom a re maka. Ke maka ha ke reng, chom? Ke maka ha ke reng? Ke maka ha ke reng? O hlanya o le ko maru iPhone le tlala ga di tsamaelane. That's why ke bile ka re ke tshaba tlala cause banyana ba nkile gig ya R100. Ba nkile gig ya R100 ba yo support lekgowa la racist le ba sa le tsebeng le go gang batho ba bantsho. So ka re ke tshaba tlala bothata ke mpa. So that was my stand. Why were you fighting? I blessing. Now I can't go back and forth. I was fighting for my money, and I was fighting for what's right. Ed Gogo's Kotin. Is she on live? Is she on live? I love your teeth. Where did you get them done? I got them Kopinoni, House of Smiles with a Z. House of Smiles. Kopinoni. They've got a new branch in Waterfall. Waterfall. Yeah, babes. My class e fedile. Class ya ka e fedile ya Tropic. You deserve your own reality show. Ah, babes. Mantho e ke etsang ka montle e tlo ba nice. But reka nkare departure. So as I wait with you, what did Yonela ask? Let me see. Please hire me. I don't have any opening, Chom. I wonder if Nignali something. No clue. Chom, be careful of glass straw. DTB, I know, I knew it. Be careful, Chom. Be careful. Get the Venus, Morato. Get the Venus, Chom. My little brother Lala music. Guys, do you guys know I've got a little brother? Do you guys know? Tum. Oh. Who's requesting to join? Tobega. Now we don't. Can you see him? How old is your little brother? I was. Get to Hey, Tobega.
Hi, Njani.
Ngiyaphila kunjani, babes?
I can't even open the mic. Ngaze ngabhora ngemsebenzini ngilele emontweni.
Uvula camera, babe. Nami like angikho.
Angikwazi, I don't know where to go. I think it's because ngisanama followers amancane. Ivume, it's grey.
Oh, okay. How are you?
Oh, I'm actually very flabbergasted talking to you. Ngigcina ukubona ku-TV. Ayibo.
Babes.
You're so beautiful.
Ngiyazibongela shem, mihlanyela inkosi.
Ufana lenganyakho lendala.
Oh, Titi.
Yeah, it's it.
Thank you so much, Thandwa Sami.
But iyoke lonto njani? Niyuke nibuye ku-TV or anisabuyi?
Nothing at the moment. I'm sure you know there were some changes lapaya emsebenzini wethu. Showmax was sold to Canal Walk and so there's a lot of internal things that are happening. Yabo? So community of Mami Club, the nice viewers of the Mami Club, even patient.
Hi, we missed the drama. There's no drama anymore.
No, I call them Manyama series. Right now, I think there is Married at First Sight, the McKennes, Life with Londi. There's a lot. There's a lot.
Life with Londi, njengoba bethi vlog. Angibuki ngisho ibu-TV ngibuya lesi emsebenzini but bathi vlog. So thina abantu bengekho ama-reviews are right.
Yo, Derek, can you please give me my power bank and my cable, please? Shame, man. Guzolo. So you're at work?
I am at work. Ngihlele emontweni nje. Ayi ngiyashisa ngala. I'm bored. Mangase kuthiwa ngiyabanjwa nje emontweni ngingathethiswa. I can't even actually open the camera for you guys to see.
So like you're always on the road?
No. Ngisebenza halfway. Ngidayisa imoto.
Oh, okay.
But
I see.
I think I'm tired of selling cars. I've been selling cars for 4 years, man. So I'm going to be content creator. I guys no makuzolunga yini, but I want to do content creation, man.
I'm a hungry lion ombali bathi bafuna ukubona my little brother. Guys, angifuni ngo-little brother wami ngoba nina nizowenza abantwana nifuna ukuthi ngizo-maintaina. Angifuni nokuthi abe ku-social media. No, angifuni. Ngizobona senivuka la nizokotisa nithi no, akibathi. Angifuni ntomsi, angifuni. I'm reading the comments, Thobeka. I'm reading the comments.
No, it's fine. Actually, it's bengithi ngizama inhlanhla nami. I don't know ukuthi kwenziwani kulezi zinto lezi zama live khulunywa ngani actually.
Can you please give me a lip gloss in my car? Ne? Imagine ba ba batla ubona mo ko live bathong ma hungry lion. Why? What's my uchaza king? King nje chaza. But to call him, maybe he's my type. Okay. Hey, Majesty, you won't marry him, Claire. Well, I won't marry him. Actually, I'm married.
See, atuzama inhlanhla.
Thank you.
Uzanda uthi ngwalenkosi usisi athi uzama inhlanhla. Yeah, I was trying my luck. Actually, I've never been accepted kwama lives because ngisanda
Is it?
Yeah. So ngiyathusa. Uqinisile shembe ngithi ngizizamela inhlanhla.
Beka uthandi at maybe we have a future together. Yabona ukombo at protect him. Yabo we understand the good. Ngoba nje ngizibizela ama problems, so I'm in love with your clothing style. Everything suits you. Your body is wow. Thank you, babe. Thank you, Sandra Sam. Okay, Tobegas, babes. Which halfway house? Midrand or where? Which halfway, I mean?
NgisePotchefstroom ngokusebenza ngisebenzele ePotchefstroom. Lo dumile njengithi kuthiwa sidume ngokudansa. We don't work. Sidume ngokudansa. You're that halfway. I'm not sure if we are.
Awutshela iboss yakho lapho bangisponsora ngemoto.
Eyiphi? Ufuna eyiphi? Because mina ngikwa Omoda. We have every car actually since halfway sidayisa yonke into, so sinama Omoda, Magitor.
I don't know.
Ukuthi angiyazi ukuthi lento ye-sponsor isebenza kanjani where we give a sponsor, but iGagasi FM si-sponsorishile. I don't know if kumele kube khona into oyifakayo or angazi. I really don't know.
Nami angazi ubabuzi.
Ukuthi uyayithola uzoyilanda la ePotchefstroom. Will you fly down?
Yeah, we'll come. Mhlambe imoto eyi-1 yama-China. Sengikhathela ama-German cars.
Mhlambe i-Jet Hot T2 noma i-Omoda C9 will definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, othi ngimbuze umphathi wami ngithi mina ngakwazi ukuthi asinikeze. Let me just go ask her because ukhona vele leduzane ngizombuza ukuthi hayi mphathi isebenza kanjani indaba yokulona njani.
Okay, we will wait. We are here. Sisonke sila.
I can't even open the camera. Yo, kwaze yabhlungu inhliziyo yami.
It's okay. We'll hold on. Sambambela ne? Singibuze la ama comments. Sambambela. Mhlawumbe sizothola iJet horse sonke definitely.
Hey guys, don't forget to follow me. Mark, let me
Basithole imoto kuqala sonke siyafollowa sithole